Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through New Kingston and we are going to give you an update on the parking issues in the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. So the KSAMC says they are looking for people that have land that they can use to build parking lots. So the areas that they're interested in are downtown Kingston, Crossroads, New Kingston, Halfway Tree. Those are some of the areas that they mentioned. So as you can see as we're driving through New Kingston, parking is an issue. We are going on to Knutsford Boulevard now, and if you look, you'll see cars are actually parked in the road. That's a yellow line. You're not supposed to park there. It's 2 lanes. But the parking situation is so bad that they stop in the road. Now, this is something I've noticed in downtown Kingston as well. You have prime real estate, $1 billion or millions. The land is worth millions of dollars as a parking lot. It's time to build parking garages. Now, New Kingston and downtown, some of these buildings were built back in the 1970s when the parking situation wasn't as bad as it is today. It was a different situation. There weren't as many cars. You see that car stopped in the road. Some cars just double park in the road. It's really bad. No, so parking lots were used. Like Bank of Jamaica, they have a building downtown, 14-story building. And they have a parking lot that occupies as much land as a 14-story building, if not more. So now they plan to build a 10-story building where the parking lot is and build a parking garage. So it's good that the KSAMC is looking for land to build parking lots. But they also need to build parking garages. Now, a place like this, New Kingston, an area like this, I should say, needs more parking garages. KSAMC, they operate some parking lots here. They need to build parking garages. I'm not sure why more parking garages aren't in New Kingston. Okay, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on KSAMC's plans towards solving the parking crisis. The growing shortage of parking spaces in Kingston has become a major concern for residents, businesses, and city officials. As the number of vehicles on the road increases, the demand for parking in key commercial and business districts has outstripped supply, leading to frustration, traffic congestion, and illegal parking. Recognizing the urgency of the issue, the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation is actively seeking solutions to expand parking availability through public-private partnerships and on-street parking initiatives. Kingston, as Jamaica's capital and economic hub, experiences high volumes of daily traffic, particularly in areas like New Kingston, Crossroads, Halfway Tree, Ligani, and Constant Spring. With limited designated parking spaces, many drivers resort to parking illegally on sidewalks, which not only disrupts pedestrian movement but also results in hefty fines when vehicles are impounded by the KSAMC's enforcement teams. According to President of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, the parking crisis negatively affects both individuals and businesses. Employees and customers struggle to find parking near their destinations, which reduces foot traffic for businesses and discourages economic activity in key commercial areas. This ongoing problem underscores the urgent need for strategic intervention to improve Kingston's parking infrastructure. One of the key solutions being pursued by the KSAMC is the development of new parking lots through partnerships with private landowners. The municipal body is actively inviting property owners with land suitable for parking to collaborate in creating additional parking spaces across the city. KSAMC town clerk has indicated that several unsolicited proposals for parking solutions have already been received. However, each proposal must undergo a thorough review process before approval. The preferred approach is a public-private partnership model, which would allow the government to leverage private sector investment while still maintaining oversight of parking management. Despite the interest in partnerships, the initiative remains in the idea stage with no confirmed agreements yet. The process requires multiple levels of approval before any concrete plans can move forward. Alright, guys, so that is the end of the update article. So let us know what you think about this proposal from the KSAMC. And if you have any other ideas as to how to solve the parking issues, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. And for others, and for the persons who live outside of Jamaica, how is the parking situation in the major cities where you guys live? Alright, guys, have a good day.